been a while waiting, but it's been worth waiting. This is the new Predator vise from Force Fly Fishing. Very happy to upgrade from my vise. For many years I used the Anvil Atlas, a great little vise, fully rotary. Had no problem with it, really nice vise. But there's no comparison between the two. Look at the size of it. This is a beast. It's super heavy. Yeah, this is not a travel vise. Yeah, this is 2.8 kilograms, which is in pounds. It's 6.2 pounds. So yeah, it's not for traveling. You're not going to put that in your backpack. But at home, yeah, I'm really happy, especially for tying large flies. I have sometimes a problem with my old vise. It's how short they are. So you always have the bobbin touching the table, or you get tangled. But this one, I mean, you have so much room to tie. I don't tie small flies. Never. Even for trout, it's big flies, it's streamers. Like, you know, I'm not much into dry flies. Poppers, maybe. The jaws are super strong. Like, there's absolutely no movement, no give on any parts. I can bend that hook in half and there's nothing moving. Little details, like when you tighten any parts, I mean, it's a couple of turns and a click. If this is in the way, it's simple, you just put it out of the way. It's adjustable as well, like, you know. I thought that this one was going to be in the way when I tie, but I actually like it. It gives me like a trigger grip. It's really nice. If you look at the eye of the hook, it's absolutely straight. Once you get it set up, it's really easy. One little screw here. Look at that. That's simple. Back in, a couple of turns. There you go. You get a little magnetic hook holder. It's fully adjustable. You can add different arms to it. Obviously you have the light here. That's easy to recognize. It's dimmable. You can put that on battery, or you can plug it in straight into mains. But you have a nice little arm. This is brilliant if you tie tandem flies, or if you have a lot of material behind. This is a good little clip at the back hook, and off you go. I think you can get a mobile phone holder if you want to use it as a background, or to watch a video, a tutorial video, or if you want to stream online, you can have your phone properly positioned, no messing with tripods. Now, the only thing that I changed a bit, but I'm sure Kevin will work on that in the future, it's all the tool holders. I find them a little bit too wide, so every time you put a scissors in, it'll just fell off. Bobbins, same thing, they just fell off. I just put a little bit of foam in it. It's like popper foam. It's the same foam I use for popper. Just cut it to size, pushed it into the holders, and it's fine. Everything is there. That's all I need when I tie.
Bye.